Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And today, slim pickings actually today. You know, the U.S. holiday on Monday, so the market's a little bit slow for me. But this one came a little bit later on in the morning, and that is ISEE. So, a couple things. Let me see if I can bring in, again, this is the container look that hopefully will be released sooner than later. Thought it would be released by now, but anyway, it isn't. Take a look at IC. So we had the alert at, I think it was at 7:49 or 7:48 from one of my alert windows. So when I got the alert, I guess it was right there. I also noticed right there that there's a red bar ignored. So red bar ignored, you have a trend, you have a red bar totally engulfed by the previous green candle, and then the next candle is green. That can signify that the trend will continue. So again, a trend, pause in the trend, trend continues. Now, in this particular case, yeah, it worked. It worked out great. They don't all work like that, but in this particular case, certainly worked out extremely well. Now, the other thing is that when you look at the longer term time frames, what I saw here was the next high at about 798, and so I thought I got into this trade right around 750. Okay, and I thought, okay, maybe it'll get to 8, maybe not. So I actually started taking some out right around here, around just high 760s, and then really everything up here. I'm always one of these people that thinks that a stock can really stall trying to get up to through a whole number. What I did say though in the room, that if it took this out, if it takes that out, then look left, and it has a shot to get to, that 880 level. So this is what I said in the room. If it gets through 8 again, or it didn't even get through the first time, but if it gets through 8, I may re-enter this trade. So, it was, again, slim pickings today, guys. Not too many alerts. In fact, take a look at here, my basic new highs and lows. Normally this window, might have 10 or 15 trades or alerts for the day. This one the same. Very, very few. Very, very few. And also my option scanner, the same thing. Very few. And, kind of indicative of a long weekend coming up. So that was definitely a trade of the day on a percentage basis, going from $7.50 up to $8, approximately a great little percentage move. So I'm going to shut this down. Want to get back into the trading room. Any questions for me? Here's the email address you can use, the link for the free room. Remember, we're still having our July 4th promo on. You can get 25% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. You'll see the promo code in the email you're getting. So have a great long weekend, everybody. The market, of course, is closed on Monday. So I'll be opening the room Tuesday morning, 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.